Hi everybody. Today you are going to be working on this assignment. It says, how many solutions? I want you to solve these problems. Do not use your cell phone and take your time. When you finish, I want you to go to the team. In assignments, you will see an assignment called How Many Solutions. There is going to be a link for you to open. When you open the link, you will see these questions. It says, what was your answer to number 1? You should have gotten either 1 solution, no solutions, or infinite solutions. I want you to type that in this form for all 8 problems and hit submit. If you do not do this form, I might think you didn't do your homework. If you have questions or you could not solve the problem, just put help in the form. Please take your time, and I will see you guys on Monday if you have any questions. Just make sure that you do this assignment. I will see you guys Monday.